Hi, good morning, Marcin. Thank you for being here with us today.
Morning,
Marcin hit a very, very big target. He's now managing the $500,000 account. So we thought this was the perfect time for him to share with us his story. So before discussing anything else, I just wanted to give you the opportunity to present yourself and tell us a bit about yourself.
My name is Marcin. I live in Poland, in Warsaw. I'm a full-time trader now, and I only live from trading. I'm a house husband. I take care of my two kids, two wonderful sons. One is 10 years and second is 4 years old. So I have much, very, very busy time with them. Kindergarten, school. These pandemic times quite difficult.
So you are a full-time trader, and how long have you been trading for?
I've been trading for more than 10 years.
Okay.
And I was doing it at the beginning on my own, and there were, ups and downs. And when I discovered your company and other prop trading firms, but I strictly cooperate with you because I liked the fact that I could earn real money just from the first day of trading with no evaluation period, no demo accounts. And I like your, doubling account after hitting 10% target. And now I reached few steps, few levels, and I'm on the top.
Good. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Very well done. Very well done. So you started with us. It was late 2020, right? By the end of 2020, and you have been like consistent in your trading based on what we can see from your, of course, from your history, from your track record. I think you hit the first target just like 1 month after joining the program, right?
Yes.
Okay.
That's right. But then it took me much more time.
Yeah.
Because of not being disciplined.
What do you think was your issues when you passed on a bigger account? You said like it took longer for you. Still, it's fine as long as you got there. There's no issue. But why do you think? Because this is the second time that you tell me it took me longer than I expected. So why do you think was that?
It was, not keeping the discipline, not keeping the good money management strategy. And now I would like to focus more on that because now it would be a pity to lose more money than I could than I can, yes.
So you think it was because it was the bigger account, psychologically was having an impact on you?
Yes, probably yes. And now I think it is slower is faster. So
that's true. Take your time. Yes, there's no rush.
Yes.
But I had a look at your account. You're doing well, even on this one. So that's fine. That's fine. So why don't you tell us a bit about your strategy, about your style of trading? You're a swing trader, right? You hold positions for long. So tell us a bit about the strategy that you use.
I prefer to keep trades for a longer time, and because the movements on the market, it takes some time, not 5 or 30 minutes. If you want to hit bigger target, I would. I know it will take some time, and I let the market to go just in the direction I expect. I like mainly pure price action. I like harmonic trading, FIBO levels, and I prefer to follow the trend.
Okay. And you have always had this strategy, even when you were trading on your personal account?
Yes, yes.
Always the same strategy. And what about the money management? Do you think that working with us, where basically there are set rules, changed a bit the approach that you had for your own risk management approach?
Yes, I think that if it is, if I know there are some strict rules which I can't break, it helps me because it helps to keep the discipline. I can't, throw all the money into one trade, but
you need to be selective.
Selective, yes.
Okay, that's fine. So when you were managing your personal account, were you risking more, perhaps?
It happened, and many times it ended very, very bad. But sometimes, it's better to play smaller, and it will be, like I said already, it would be faster.
Okay, that's fine. So you said you are a swing trader, and of course, I realized that looking at your account after target, there was something interesting that happened on the last account that I'd like to mention, where basically you hit the target mainly thanks to only one trade. I'm talking about a short position on pound Swiss franc. You opened that position, if I'm not wrong, on the 2nd or on the 3rd of February, beginning of February, by the way, and you closed it 1 month after, beginning of March. Now, there is something that I want to highlight here, because as you know, one of our rules is that the weekend positions are not always accepted. But in this case, it's clear that we made a few exceptions. Of course, the trade was going well. We had our risk management team that assessed the position, of course, coherently with what the business, the overall business exposure was in the pound, and we let your trade run for a month. You gained more than 20K on that trade. Do you remember how many pips? More than 300.
More than 300, yes.
I think it was more than 300. Very good. Very well, spot on. Were you looking at that pair for a long time, or it just happened?
Yeah. No.
You were waiting for that.
I was waiting for a turn down, and for a long time it was the price was moving sideways, and finally it broke down.
It did the move. It broke down. Good. Very well done. Very well done. I also noticed that you like to focus also on the New Zealand pairs. Is that correct?
Yes. QE is a pair where the exposure can be lower because the price of that currency is much more lower than, for example, GDP. GBP.
Sure.
And
okay.
I can lose less if something happens.
Okay, that makes sense. What do you like to do? Do you like to focus on some pairs and wait for that move, or you on a daily basis just check all the pairs available and see where the opportunity is? What is your approach in that?
I just watch through all the pairs and see the opportunities, and it doesn't matter what kind of pair it is. I just trust what I see on the chart.
Okay, that's fine. That's really good. So one more thing, Marcin, I want to ask you, if you had to give, if you need to give a suggestion, a recommendation to someone that perhaps is now approaching the trading world, or is thinking to move from a part-time to a full-time position in trading, what would be your suggestion? What would you say to them?
I would suggest just firstly to educate themselves very good, because financial markets, you have to study it. Like, if you want to be a doctor, you have to study for a few years, and here also, and protect your capital, expect unexpected, and believe in yourself and trust the process.
And what about your journey with us so far? What do you think about that? How was it? And, would you recommend it to someone? And if so, for which reason?
Yes, definitely I would recommend AudaCity Capital for new traders, because, like I said, there is no evaluation time. You can hit your targets at any time you want. And after hitting the target, the payment is done on the same day. So very, very quickly. And
the flexibility that we give you to hold your positions as well sometimes.
Yes, you can ask, to hold your positions. And of course, the money management rules that you don't allow to trade when there are big announcements on the market, which is sometimes temptation to trade, but it's better wait for an hour or two, and then
better be safe than sorry.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Marcin, thank you very much for joining me today and to share your story, for sharing your story. Best of luck on your next target. You are one of our best traders now. So keep up with the hard work, and results will come. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Have a good day. Bye.
For you too. Bye.